Alexa. I'm trying the live summit. Shim tonto coffee tu, shim tonto tu chizuzad. Never been here.
Doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello everyone, I'm Pema and currently it's 12:45 right now, and I actually woke up around 11 a.m. but I was still lying on my bed and scrolling through TikTok and Instagram, just wasting my time. So by the time I realized, I had already wasted half of my day, and for the past few days I've been really slumping hard. I've been really demotivated to do anything, been procrastinating all my works, and yeah, so I thought maybe I could vlog to motivate myself, because when there's camera in front of me I would feel like working. Yeah, so I have some things to do today, so I'm gonna write it down so that I can just tick it off later, because it always helps for me, writing the things that you need to do and then the achievement that you get when you take it. So let me do that first. Yeah, so I'm done listing the things. First on my list is to do my dishes, then laundry, and I need to clean the house, cook lunch for myself, go for a walk if I get the time, and I've some few projects that I've been procrastinating for so long, so I have to work on that. So yeah, these are the things that I need to do. As you can see, my house is a mess right now, so let's get our life together and be productive for the rest of the day. Ta-da. Look at the condition right now. Need to clear it up. Alexa, play some songs. Time to do the dishes. Look at the mess. Oh my god. This these are the washed dishes, and I have to put this all aside and then wash these dishes, wash this, clean these things up. And these are not the mess that I created today, okay? This was from yesterday and I still haven't cleaned it up. So when I was saying I was slumping, I was actually slumping real hard. While my pasta is boiling, I'll just prep everything that will go in it. The sausages are going to chop it. Then I'm mozzarella cheese as it's garlic. I love garlic. So I have sausages, mozzarella, garlic. These the carrots, the shrimp, mush. So I have to use this all today because it will be spoiled very soon. I also want to have some iced coffee with my pasta. So let's make iced coffee. Usually I use this milk, unsweetened one. I milk froth beneva, but then today I'm not gonna do it directly with honey because I'm so lazy. So I'm gonna do this one. I need the intense soy. This is how it looks. I think it's going to be messy. I'm trying the life summit. I'm going to coffee too. I'm going to put it on my pasta is already boiled. Olive oil. Excuse my tripod. This is a kalazam and this is my rice cooker. And that I'm making this video because I'm choosing tripod mela. Keep joking. Add some garlic, sausages, frozen veggies as oregano. Next herbs, onion powder, rosemary. While the herbs too, come here. Cucumber. I need the optional clumsy number one. So clumsy. little spice each much to much more than ganem that's cheese kadrin lunch today wow stretch 아다이 와인 니 짝숨 쳐 샤샤 시사는 뭔가 내 안에 비 스프링클 베트 빨래 Okay, so it's been a productive day till now. I've managed to wash all the laundry, I cleaned the house, I cleaned the kitchen, I did the dishes, made myself some lunch, and I was just eating it while watching some YouTube videos, but just realized that I watch a lot of videos, and especially when I'm eating, I'll be like watching YouTube or Netflix, and then even after eating, I'd be like, oh, I need to finish that particular video, or I need to finish that movie, and then I get stuck with that. So right now, I was watching a YouTube video and then I realized that I was like, I need to get out of that cycle. That's why I need to slow this down. I just want to rant. That's it. How's your 2025 going till now? It is stagnant, boring, but still I'm enjoying it. I love laying on my bed now. Lazy bed. Yeah. شنو زوزة مو فيجيتا تلقى motivation تطلب بوك للهب العربية but these days the motivation سميتي شنو مين كأي بقول I have so much things to do شنو يعني رمضان نومي أنا أقول لهم بقى بيني من ناخد بيني من بتحمل نومي تبغى the toughest thing to do is to start music. Start with the continue to concentrate to push yourself to start is so difficult. But today I'm gonna push myself. Yeah. Because at the end of the day, I'm unproductive for doing. I'm just trying to waste the time. I'm just not going to be taught about it. No message you need them. There was a daughter along the same cycle. So hello again. It is 6 p.m. ngayu tachli kola this wash machine nal ten chiga kam chiba so tari ngai la halam chi chai me ngai to do list nai mi la halam chi chai but I'm left with two things. Number one, the go for a walk and get some groceries. To get started with the project thing I meet na ko jai lapchim na ni la de but ngani chara bego mono si because the laziness inside me is more dominating. The begor amano the bodanga anini na lichi de bera begosi tergab de dumna dali refill be umisi tergab dinga and jungle na job hermit suno manan medeni rutu bes no meta tergab de hunter gatherer society na kikyu rutu bes no misi and mushroom collect be herbs to collect be niza chimna de mo anzum irutu bes no misita debodulu unfortunately anzum century no luki chinu simenanga 21st century no luki jabe hustle ma bes lawachin you'll be left behind tele kanya be mitswe magosh so tachichi de bera begowe so lahati di ma appale begos kadebiro dari ma bewachin nabati ma appale begowa and the more I postpone it the more it will be difficult on me debro dumena so I ended up doing nothing walk na majo laya mabe, but I managed to edit the vlog so chai tele and like all the procrastinators, I'm gonna say it again, nava bini. Anyways, this is top the lo log dira jage bye.